Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. I have just got in your perfect first car for your kid or your perfect commuter car. Stick around, let me tell you about this monster. That's right. This is our Saturn IQ. This is a 2012. It is a one-owner car, and I can tell you what, the Saturn IQ was named properly because you got to be pretty daggone smart to like this car. They are absolutely awesome. I mean, they are Toyota durability through and through. I mean, you can see these things with 300,000 miles on them, still running strong with no issues. And again, being one owner, perfectly maintained, that's hard to beat. This thing has brand new tires on it, so you're not going to have to worry about that for a long time. I mean, I know it looks small, but wait till you get inside. This thing's actually got a surprising amount of room. Now, coming back here, see that you've got a ton of trunk room. I mean, look at, you can haul anything you need to haul right in there, and I love the hatchback with that wide opening there. It just opens up really wide, easy to haul anything. What are those? Well, those are designated for your closet or garage or trash can, whatever. There is actually a back seat there. Are you ever going to use it? You're not going to use it. No one's going to fit in it. It's, yeah, I don't even get it. But you do get a ton of trunk space right there. That's absolutely awesome. Now, coming up front here, you can see we're going to have our power windows. This one is a height adjustable seat. Very comfortable seats. These things are extraordinarily comfortable. Now what you can see here is that door is going to open up really wide, and look at the space that you have. I mean, these things are very spacious, tons of headroom. Like I said, surprisingly roomy for the size of this car. You have duplicate audio controls there. I love the red stitching in the steering wheel to give it a sporty little look there. You do have your Pioneer Premium audio system. Pioneer Premium audio system that is Bluetooth. Of course, air conditioning. You have your automatic transmission. What's the B? The B is the brake. You can actually engine brake with this. Very nice feature. Pretty cool. And again, love the seats. I'm telling you, first person to sit in that thing, drive it, is going to fall in love. They are extraordinarily comfortable. And come on, guys, they're cute. Just look at it. It's cute. That thing is awesome. I mean, the easiest to maneuver car around. And again, Toyota durability, one owner car, perfectly maintained. Check out the Carfax. I mean, this thing has better maintenance records than most cars I've ever seen. I mean, very good maintenance records on this thing. Again, very clean. 36 in the city, 37 on the highway. How do you beat that? Well, you can't. Easy to maneuver. City Motors, we're going to give you a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. Now, what that means for you is if you are out of the area, have no fear. You can buy here knowing that you are covered where you are. 6-month, 7,500 miles. And that is roadside assistance included as well. No processing fees here at City Motors. No fees at all. No dealer fees. Don't play the fee game. I'm serious. These dealers slipping fees in left and right. None here. Do not miss this thing. It is a no excuse car. New tires. Perfect maintenance history. Awesome Toyota durability. Incredible gas mileage. Easy to maneuver. And under $9,000. Serious. Don't miss it. It ain't sitting here long. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.